Is your dryer running but not heating up to dry your clothes? If so, before you do anything else, try this unbelievably simple trick. First, unplug the dryer and then remove the large back panel. Then locate and remove this switch right here. It's held on by one bolt. Remove the bolt and then the wire clips, noting which wire goes on top and which one goes on bottom. Then take the switch and give it 2 or 3 good taps on the ground. Then just reverse the process and put the switch and the wires back on. Chances are this was your problem and now you have nice, warm, dry clothes.